Limbawa, 10 o'clock for that side. For play with the column for Magba, and 10 o'clock for side for Bavosam, 10 o'clock for side for Baminda, and with the salute. All man wish down for side for Bali, for Ndop, and those who go for Catholic Mission for side for Kumbo, where they make now prayer. What will happen for that picking for side from Kambe? What will make news? We go start for inside Yaoundé for strong number. Now this boy where you know you can be, they will get trouble after na palapala they enter inside. Now we take to what they call him. Na screwdriver it to be come be there. Last Janamedi National for side for Colbison. He don't do fine work, so they find last starter and they talk for 3 people and say. 3 people then when I can't see with this young man, he don't do him, he don't kill combi. That is now, me we say for this so combi not exist now instead enemy it exists now. Now we commandant for that brigade, it talk for a 3 man. When we come out again for that chapter, we go enter palava. This one we cannot drive them for side for Douala. Then too, they don't talk to this so they for strike because palava petrol where they don't bring her up and then it affect them and they say this so they get plenty problem and they don't explain them from Gomna, she don't quiet, they say no the year, now way they don't decide say this so cannot request back until they solve that problem. Wait till the pass for inside country, we eye now only for Siam so that me mop a talk yeah. We come on now, we go enter the side for Motengene where mami them, they so the cry say this so me chief misoso when na Lord Mayor for Tiko Castle. Well, it be a person will be the local them, but now they say he don't forget about them for that side from Motengene market. Dirty, you know they ever jump for this place. Now when mommy them they say they so they don't tire, they go only detect the sick, they die, like a foul for that side, and they talk to this so me a chief misoso, Lord Mayor for Tico say we can't help them. Now time this way it get for help them. We go come on again, we talk palava weti, we go talk palava this one. Now the just office for Limbe 1, yourself, the office it is some kind way. Man, you know they understand where it is so. This one now office or now a prison because the way the office it don't scatter, it not be normal at all. We come out again, we enter now for side for Boya for some place where house it don't collapse. And for that house, they say this one for the way student them, they will ever a shit down. Now the house it don't collapse, but they tell we say now one person he don't die, says that Cameroon. If you never see him, no talk him because man will be there. Now he says he get for tell we how he pass. We could come on now. We enter now for Tinto subdivision for inside Manu for Southwest Cameroon. This population they don't run for site for Tinto subdivision. They say they so he not the worker. Yes, they not the worker at all. He not the worker. What you know the worker? All man for inside the village. He don't run and they run the internet inside bush. And where government for Cameroon, it is sing song. Say this so, me any man he come up for bush, come for town, so that me will develop village. But they tell we say this so, Joe and Joseph themselves, they work for that village, they collect money and they don't ask them 5 million me they give them before any man if he should down for that village. So they not get the 1 million for give them and then anyway all man he don't run the village, enter for bush, they stand up for inside bush house now. How we could do now for bring this population for back for town? We come back for what will happen for side for Bonaberi, for Sebek mortuary. This countryman where they get 17-year-old man, where they say they so if he die for inside swimming, they can't leave him for mortuary. For side for Sebek, for side for Bonaberi. In last now, the mitobi, we don't go chubby, so yeah, last come back now. Can she don't on top chair, when a chair for person where they ever look out that people them for inside mortuary. So the man, if he talks to them, so you know, she don't again for that chair. Last they put the man back again for mortuary. Now the watch night, he don't talk now, say this, so you know the sleep since where this boy he be come out and then he won't come back he turn on top chair, say this so sleep, you know the kaji. Say they get to come out the corpse for that mortuary before he go walk again for the now the watch night that way it be talk and we could yet way it be first talk before we turn back for way it happen now. We go to this one now for side for Kayabasi where confusion day for Kayabasi. Now this tire Okada where they don't meet up and they say they so it go now 2 weeks where a park for one place. Now we all man will remember business for side for Kalabasi, it fear. Say they so if you been as my Okada where they don't kill them and then they take the Okada and then Petokan shot here, they leave them and then they go. And population where they sell for corner this place, they don't talk say any man where know this Okada, me can collect them, me no can bring them problem. Now we talk now, African talk for side for Cote d'Ivoire, it don't finish. Three man where it come up for LTM, it go for site for Cote d'Ivoire. Ambrose Aono, na SSF, it go. So yesterday, he turned back and then it come for LTM for play where we come out before it go. For go cover all things where we pass for Cote d'Ivoire. Now that they come out for inside taxi. Now so they will receive you for inside Santa Barbara for Yaoundé. And for the way to us, it is not time this way. He declined for LTM for go meet up big man. That means a general director Julie come as a receive for inside the office. So now one of the staff them for LTM where they be talk say this so what way you are, he do fine and he don't come back safely. So they thank God as he don't guide you. And then with all these things we will go down. For side where they call them, now for Bamungo, now for MOKO village, where yesterday it not be easy for that side as when I see them. This one I road, and for the road when I see street light, where I think for that muokank, where you don't put street light, now school is where muokank population they build them for semi picking them, they go land book for that place so that tomorrow they feel help parents them and then help country. So yesterday they say they saw some people them they enter for inside and muokank and then they kidnap 16 people them and one begin. So it's not easy for that side and calling to the top. Where we hear them for social media, it show plenty thing them for inside the talk and the talk say so this school semi picking you know come again for this school and no teacher you know get for trespass for this school until further notice. Where people in the house and say this so they be talk semi school that they go because now for the way picking they go learn sense but how many it can be now say this so they don't lost school. So anything I did we bring up as we say we anyhow we did tomorrow. We could get the chief for MOKO, where could do for today house, he could tell we what he really passed because carriage now, the 16 where they don't kidnap plus small picking for him, they still there for some place where they don't know where the place is. So they beg their population where they don't do that action, so they try for release the people where they kidnap because school, if you no go school tomorrow, you know if you turn up for talk for before people them. Send story for sharp morning time, it talks with it. Send story for sharp morning time, it tell we say dog where in the back they go na their back. Me you sabi say thing where you don't see them, that thing where they come spoil compound. Dog where in the back or dog where they holler, they go na inside house. Me you know say there's no thing where you don't see them and where they think they come for inside compound. They think they come now for can spoil them, you know they come for can fix them. Science story a common now for Tori house and General MOKO SSF he don't send them. Woman they catch them and we support them now. Ma Mary Odette we support them for site for Njombe and Njombe he dey for inside Mungo he dey na for littoral. Now when they will come back when I go see how with all thing where they happen for Cameroon, good he don't decide for Waka as person in the Waka. Now when they are come. So country people them number way when I go see them for television. Number way when I go see them as when I don't see them. I dey beg when I beg them. After they start me man no call. You feel send we na message. Normal message or WhatsApp message. No call for this number. But time for calling, you feel call for the number. Country people. I be sure say we could learn every day. Although the head too is strong like coconut, but one day it go soft way all we will understand. Wait till we will get for doing. Chapter 1 na inside capital. Where na Yaoundé and Yaoundé when I sabi say na for the way capital for Cameroon day. Bleeders for call this on. What it don't happen? What it don't happen? Now from small boy where he big met palapala with his brother and his friend. So take a move thing where they call say school driver. Now anyway, one time, he choked that his brother, and that his friend, he died. Commandant of brigade for side for call me son, he talks to this so, go up, calm down. Whether the son or ran, he get for catch the boy. Because he kill and so, and then he disappear. Now anyway, he send he boy them all for upside for inside only. Now so they work up for daytime, work up for night, work up for daytime, work up for night. Last, they can't catch this small boy. And he says, he talks to this so, now he do the action, but he didn't say, now Satan pass through he before he do the action. But now, Jeremy National is not there for you because when they ever give advice, say this, so if you get trouble with your friend, no come out anything like bottle, no come out knife, no come out screwdriver. Now the young boy this way they talk, say this so he confess, say this so now Satan, he last, he enter for his kid before he do this action. And time when he do this action, he says for play where we go hide, he not be the fee free. So for inside Cameroon, me we try, but we like for Jesus so that me it became a protect we for all this thing them where it happen for inside we. Palava insecurity for inside capital. Naki Mampe. When you walk up inside your own day, me you look left and right because you don't know side way your enemy it don't stand. We come on now we go side for Douala for go meet up camion driver them. Inside that side for Douala they don't pack all their camion. Bavos and they pack. Garwa they pack. Garwa Bula they pack. Ngabere them pack. Even for inside your own they don't pack camion. Say they so strike. Say they get some trouble with Ngomna because they explain their problem for Ngomna it make they say no the year. And this part they talk to them so whether they strike it will stay how many years they did for inside the strike. Say me man no mind say they so they go to feed their picking with it say they don't keep money for take care for their picking them during this time for strike. So all this camion them they want the way they don't carry timber. They don't be too for strike. Say they so timber not go enter again for inside ship for go for white man country. Because timber, nothing where they come over inside Cameroon. And with the last again the Beckham for white man. That means that white man get Cameroon question. Now anyway they don't lay up. And palava petrol where they don't take the price up and then they don't want to for reduce to checkpoint them where they get them for inside country. Say it over disturb them. You go buy petrol dear and then can say to again more controls so that they won't wait now. Now anyway, this countryman they talk to this so they be don't ever they organize strike and then after they deliver but this time around if government you know hear that cry that means say they could so be so. Those where they get tackle when a camion get for carry am that means say bad market it don't hold them for now. So with the bank now say this so me governor a try way and then look inside this country people them their problem and person we get for look inside their problem now minister where they look at transport for inside country for see how it could hold meeting with them. Although for Cameroon when something don't start so after they go talk to this so now hungry they do them after they go talk to this so they not get nothing for doing why that way they go say they strike because now some kind of talk it they ever break another talk will not be normal. When some problem don't start we start for the find the solution. May we not wait time we don't be chronic before we start for the find solution wait time if we don't pass. We gonna have a side for Southwest Motengene and they talk to this so mommy them for Motengene now those where they ever vote plenty. Any man where don't turn up for being mayor for site for Tico Council. And mayor where they now for council for site for Tico, Chief Misoso Peter, now man where if you don't work for year plenty, time where it not be mayor. Time where it not be mayor. Chief Misoso Peter be work for this market every week if they carry the dirty, every week if they carry dirty. Now when mommy they don't talk say how their brother, how their pikin, it don't go for chair now, it know they look at them again. So tell they sell for mud. But council, if they only come, jump on top of that mud, collect now 100 francs, collect the 200 francs, and then go. They don't back say they so even now say they could contribute money for bring caterpillar where you carry the dirty send about side where they send them. And then say me council, it try for bring a book, me the right name for people that will contribute them. Can reach now. No book, you know, and the market it don't over scatter where we need say they be get for Bilam so that business people them they go to feel free, they're not going to say again inside this smelling place. So name now for market for site for Motengene na smelling market. Smelling market for site for Motengene now in that. Yes, leave them. Because we get some talk. Then here because the truth you know Motengeni, it don't turn na Texas. Quarter 10, I write them for book. Quarter 10 for Motengeni. For place where commissariat day, it don't turn na Texas. Those where they smoke banga, they smoke only so. Police did that side. Those where they take na cocaine, they day here. Police did that side. Those where they take na tramol and tramadol, na only for day. And those where they take kai kai. Now you were all man ask question. Inside quarter way commissariat day. Now the quarter way school where they go teach how to thief. It is Shidong. The school day for day. And police know. Why police in the cash those with the same banger and those with the smoke arm for quarter 10 for Motengeni. So we beg the commissioner for site for Motengeni. Say me wake up because enemy not there for your quarter. You take it your friend. If na say don't pass commissioner, better na say me then send commandant for site for brigade for Tico. Me it come for day when I will see how quarter 10 people them they go feel free. Me when I talk, me when I know she don't quiet, they give na complaint. We don't send cameraman for that side and he don't plan all you camera them for night. Today, before Monday, we must get image with camera, it don't catch them. Because if I say what we talk, me people don't see them. We go now for site for Limbe. For see government office. This one na just office for Limbe 1. Signboard, it don't expire. Green red yellow, when na pen for buy them for 500 francs, it don't expire. Now where people in the ask and say there's some money where they enter for inside George's office. Don't know if more 1,000 for buy pen for pen this office. They say that's all. Don't know if use your money for take and fix them. Say na only governor. Say na governor office. And this office, they say na prison. And when na Joe's office. When they return for the respect Joe. Respect SDO, see am. When I see am. Now office for Joe for side for Limbe 1. This one na shame. This one na shame. This one is not begin for B for Cameroon. We know the talk again for Fako. Because for inside Fako, now people that when they clean. Joe clean. But he can't enter for office where office is dirty. Like that. How we have carry young Joe like this one? Can't put them for this kind of office. When they fall, they say they so it enter inside. Where the show say they so small time they go buy canoe for Joe for Limbe 1. So that when rain it fall, he go use them for go for work. Well, for Cameroon we sabi bilam. But for men maintenance na for they with trouble day. I don't know whether they so. The one way strong na for bilam or na for make maintenance. When I look Joe's office, when I look Joe's office for inside Limbe, it's not correct. It's not correct at all. So they beg people that were there for up. Say me when I try for the make maintenance. Joe for office not be so. Joe's office not be this kind of way. This one we dey show them so that me they fix them. And then when they go come paint them, we go so show them. We all now for short way is not fine, so that me the transformer may be fine. So now we on way for take and fix the country. But we also some people that go tie and face say why issue? If we not sure they go fix them, and it don't be so for years. Even the Joe will be first day for day before they transfer it. It be so there for this condition. This one will come new, it come for this condition. How about if minister come out for go visit Joe for Limbe 1? Not be this dirty could stand it close. It no look good. Him now said that the West time with the back city mayor for Limbe. Say me try for buy paint. Try way for go make this office. Me look office for Joe. Yes. Me we gonna have a side for Buya. Well, they people Cameroon, rich people then go kill poor one. Now a whole story building where they just build them. It never make even 3 years. Now so 10 of them from inside. The material the way they will take them for being the up-story building, it not be being a fine one. Because we know they pay fine. When I see them? So they come out them now, they dig them. Whether they go see the cops them inside, but they say they don't discover one person. How many still there inside? And the blame na council for inside Cameroon because when the run the house, council can't put cross. After again, now them again, they can't wake up the thing where they don't mark them. Say they so, me they not be the house. Now them again, after when they don't receive the envelope, one time, they will talk say continue to be a house. They may control the material where the man is using for be their house. Whether he kill, whether he not kill, council no get time. Better way we want be house. Go for council, you go see big book where they will give you. Sign here, drop money so. Go for that office, sign here, drop so. They don't get time for go control the material where the man they use them for big house. That means that the council the instead help for kill the population of Cameroon. Nothing that they ever talk so. Some people they know they be mayors, and some they know they be parliamentarian, some they know they councillor. Some don't know their work. They just enter inside, dive for inside politics. They just dive inside. They go keep away. They don't dive for cash ball. They don't know their work. Plenty mayor they don't know where they get for work, but they just shit off for office. They be mayor. We not get for control material for people and way they be house. Me when I not just control say this so you get for campaign. He choose them for be house. So we talk Asha for family where they don't lose their family member for this house we don't collapse for that side. So for southwest me we go for that side for Upper Banya. Upper Banya for side for Tinto subdivision. Population for that side they don't run their village. All the people inside bush for bush house. All the people inside bush for their bush house. No man no for village again. Now they market that. No one eye person. Why these people in the run? They say they so Joe or Joseph. They become for them, they can't take 1 million. Every month they get for drop 1 million. So me and Papa they don't contribute money so they tire. And they don't come again. Yesterday say they so me they give 1 million. Now way all man a come out say they so they want go find money. People they don't pack their kako, they come out for village, they go them for inside bush. This one now we get for solve this problem now how? That is that matter northwest and southwest now it don't turn a business. And when now for the way some people in the chop. And some people they don't take this matter now it turn at their farm where they go harvest for the and where not be normal. And this thing don't make us so when you get problem with some person, that means say it take advantage for this thing, it go report. This man they so it work with Joe. This man they so they work with Joseph. Now so it pass for northwest and southwest will not be normal. Man way there for SDFO, it get trouble with man for CPDM. Man way there for UNDPO, it get problem with this. Now so it function for that side and way it not be normal. Be you Joe, be you Joseph. Why do you know the distance of population for Upper Banya? They don't pay money and they don't come now say they so now 5 million where each village could give up. They could take money for side. And why would the worker ask na money? Why would the worker ask na money? I don't talk say be Joe or Joseph. It no fine. It no fine at all. It no fine. Look the way where population they suffer. Government is saying also say so all man come for bush come for town. But some people that still again they drive people from town to bush. No na confusion. No be na confusion at the ask for upside. No be na confusion so. So now the population now is there for confusion. They don't talk say so when 2 elephants they fight, now grass it is suffer. Now in this, because we be Thomas, we get for see when I don't see him. I say now LTM film come use no thing way the pass all side for country. So we try way for bring solution for this matter. Now we come back for team where we don't make news for today house for Bonaberi. 17-year-old boy where we don't show up. Say die for swimming, they can put him for that Presbyterian mortuary for site for Bonaberi. After USSF he come out, go dance in dengue, chop ye soya, go to one confirm and fumbot. After he turn back, he can't take his chair, he should down for Domot for mortuary. Man when you look at mortuary, USSF just has discover person on top his chair. And where the person be don't die and they put him for mortuary. And where now the guide them. Now when they be make tradition. I say tradition, it go take. I be asked, I say this tradition go take. They say it go take. I say, okay, for Cameroon will be Thomas, we get for C before we believe. No, the people. They say yes. No, a tradition that, where they will make them. This tradition go take, when I say yes. It don't take. News where the internet and where they all for social media. Now say, boy, when you look out this mortuary for Sibek, he don't talk say this so you on work, it go end. If I say you on work, it no go end, me they come out this boy for inside mortuary, go put him for other mortuary. Say since when this boy, he come out, he come back tight for chair, he know they sleep. He know they sleep. Only music where they for inside mortuary. Only they cannot find where they for mortuary. That boy don't talk say get for resign. But me we find here thing where this boy be talk. Time where this thing be happen. Countryman, you say this man, now that man, talk me with you.
I be there, I be sleep for night. Yesterday morning, around that time for breaking money, sir. Around, in fact, I don't know say they are because our sleep. Some chair they live on MOKO yeso. Because I'm a matter of sleep on my chin in that.
Okay.
Was the sleep down here as we see, I don't move on now and sleep. Yes. Now so I the sleep. And the hour the sleep, I give my tissue, I cover all my body with them. Now so I take I don't hear how we share the job. I will change the job the go. E1. I dig. Touch. As you do a phone, as they do a phone, you put touch. You point touch for that in the face. I say, I will be afraid. Say, you tell me, say, because for you, they call me Busu. Call me Busu. I say, yes. You see, you tell the man on top for you. I say, yes, don't talk. See, the man, he come the inside. I say, he say, no, the man will be under inside water or Bella. I don't believe it. Doctor now be the calm. Doctor calm now. The man will keep that body there. Just into the doctor, they come together. When they
so when this countryman may talk day with this boy, they meet up for front ye office. So me we come on now for that one. We talk palava this one. Now some man, whether na he bike, he don't can live on for Kabasi. This Okada there for Kabasi, for that side for Echo Bank. They say they saw all man where they sell. For that side, it is fear because this Okada don't make here 2 weeks. So they don't pack up now. Whether not people they don't thief the Okadas on side, can't do man for Kabasi, oh, they don't know. Whether they don't kill the driver before they take the Okada, oh, they don't know. Now anyway, say to the man, show this Okada. Every way he get the Okada, me come for Kabasi, the Okada a pack for the. Me can't carry him. Me can't carry Okada because they say they be Tiva na Tiva. The one can put some people for inside trouble. Yes, we not be normal. Yes, leave them. We talk now about this one African Nation Cup as it be happen for Cote d'Ivoire. Now anyway, all man if he come out, he go for that side. Touré man for Touré House LTM if he come out, he go for that side where they call him. Ambas Aono. USSF if he go for that side. This one now man when they come and say Flampek. Now USSF a big man for French Dex news. So I see USSF if he come now time this way. He don't come back from Ivory Coast. He come now. Now General Director Julie Combe for LTM we don't receive this countryman for inside the office. Now some stuff them done. Flora Jinla every day for the Frampek every day, and then Junior IC every day, and Patrick Nguanyang, all them they be day, even Francois USSF every talk come good for this countryman for, and then General Director every time this countryman for what we don't go do for Ivory Coast, and then got a protege, and then it last turn back again for inside country, and they talk say so me God he continue to bless to the man, and then it bless again LTM where it do fine work for inside country. So now the countryman this for those where they sabi fine now every day like I for LTM for that side for chapter for sport for inside Ivory Coast. So come good countryman, and then plenty talk. He explain how for that side for Ivory Coast, for that side it the over hot pass even a Douala. Yes, say for that side you know if you wear coat, you know if you wear shirt wear a tick, and you know if you wear blouson. For that side they wear a t-shirt, wear a light one, and then plenty people them they work and I will short knicker. As when I say I'm now so if they work time way African Nation Cup if they go up, so it will go on. So now to remind this way we did live for site for President Ouattara he on 5th that side for Cote d'Ivoire. Now Dennis way Cote d'Ivoire them they will succeed for win the finals. So ambiance if they some kind way. So to remind yourself a show yourself say this so be picking for inside country. So now wait till we see them leave them. Yes. Anyhow we did. Now we go sit down quiet, see them, and then hear because we did outside. Mokan village on a Mokan quarter for that side for Bamungo, it is for trouble. Now that when you look at this street light, it is going for Mokan. This street light when I see them, it come up for this junction. Go so take for inside Mokan Palace. Go for school now. The school is now the school is where Mokan people them they don't beat them. And why they beat them? They beat them because picking them for that side they belong. They come out. They go na bush. They go na hunting. Now anywhere they check science, they say they so if find something they be school. They be school now. Picking and start they go school now. They learn book. Forget sense tomorrow. They man wear yellow. Now SSF in the local school and local their bank in the local their health center. And when they don't come kidnap and then they shoot that man when I say with yellow. When now it is for medical detention. Where they take medicine. Now when people are not confused, say this one now waiting. This one now waiting. Even problem there for country. We just say this so. Even for several country day, school it go. School they go now for say me small picking them. They can't change we tomorrow. If now they say that school not going to go again. That means say when I don't spoil life for this picking them. For spoil life for person, no me na kill them where they don't kill. When you block this picking them, they don't learn book. Now say tomorrow, me they go na hunting. Or me they stab the thief. Now question. Even guy when a teacher, when I need to take your own sense for your head, get up picking your head, they don't kidnap him. And the one kidnap him, he gets small picking for hand. Where the show said so small picking, it don't pass night for inside bush. Country people winner for outside. Winner for outside. Me when I tell me, what did this one it mean? Now the bodies. This one a video where to remember we don't catch them. Where it don't mean now 2 months. This body so it didn't have for hospital. Where they don't can shoot them. Pa. God ever pay so he not die. Now so school it will ever happen for that side. This one now images where we will take them time where they will go back for school. When I see them, see all the people when they there for classroom. No for learn book. When I go on yes tomorrow say they so minister them don't come out for inside Bamungo village le 3 le 4. But if I can't block them now, the minister they go come on now. I say they don't kidnap 16 people them for Mokan yesterday plus 1 small picking for hand. Well, this matter don't go on business matter. Because that thing not done for nothing. This thing they so some man there behind this matter. Because school and that for inside Bamungo, why not under this one they can't block them? We check sense. We check sense for inside this matter. We the back. Whether na Joe, whether na Joseph, say the decision it is some kind way. The decision is some kind way. If when I feel deny me picking a non-learn book, for me, I say mistake did. Enemy not start where enemy day. We get for no play where she don't we get for go find for the. Me we know the live side where enemy day. They come again na side where friend day. Aba. They be talk to say this so me we organize national dialogue second one because when match it play. First half day, second half day. National dialogue first half it be day. But we won't come back for free now for second half. Now for the way they go no man way, it don't win. There was no second national dialogue so that Me the sitting where they will make up the mistake for first national dialogue, second national dialogue, they correct the mistake, and then this matter, Northwest and Southwest, it finish. Why second half for the match in no one play skin? Referee don't tire or it is sick. Match delegate, you know well or you don't make accident. Last man and then when they don't operate them, I beg, may we try for go on top the table. Man and your brother, they ever get problem. But when they get problem, one cup molo, it is solve that problem. They arrange that problem. Why this one, it is stay. Where solution no one come. With all this one, as when I don't see them all, it don't make a now. Good way we dey go buy them, slaughter them, chop. It decide say it go to work now, let person. Francois, me we see how good the worker. For Cameroon, now in that. We don't overdo Basute good. It don't talk say yourself. It go worker for up. How me and you with the worker. Now in that. Good don't start the worker. He said that's why you must go. You on school, go learn. Since our people and then no one say me not picking and learn. So them get for learn. Some more time. Good. It go talk for inside Bamungo. Some more time when I go see good. It worker for Bamungo with a book, with a pen and a pencil. Some more time. When I go see good could pass GC or first school for side for Bamungo if we no look out. But this thing no can be say person there for back. This thing for MOKO, me no can be say person there for back because for Cameroon, investigation for Cameroon is not the worst time. Investigation it go on. And some more time when I go hear how the matter be passed. Because it's strong say they fit get Bamungo fit get more than 100 schools. They can decide for lock now one. It makes sense, country people. Anyhow, with it. Now I'm in that day. I come back now when I get for talk now. Yes. So with the time all man say now when I time this, but I want to me when I get respect. Because when you don't get respect, you'll be nothing. Any side where you go, any man could only point you with finger. But person where he get good fashion and he get respect, when he ever pass for some place, all man they come for can salute. Not be na money where he get, but na the good fashion where he get. Poor man he go only the suffer, but he go also get the good fashion. So when you want to call the program, respect the laws. Even for meeting house, law day. The law now say you must off the volume for your TV. If you deal with people then for inside house, make sure say you come up for outside before you call. Because if you remain, that means say you would lack no respect. Hello, countryman.
Yeah.
Who the volume outside the concert? Hello? He didn't say caller in some time. Small problem there. So caller could still come back. What you never talk me, you talk now, countryman. Yes. 650608498. 695539094. Yes. Hello, countryman. All them they beep na beep. Yes. All man the beep na beep. We salute all man for Meta. Yes, we salute all man for side for Bamungo. We salute the king for Bamungo. We watch the program. We salute all the title holder them for Bamungo. We salute son and daughter them for Bamungo. We salute all man for side for Bali. We salute those who they for Ambele. And we salute all man for side where they call for Santa. Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Good morning, countryman.
Good morning.
Who they call the person name for which side?
Now, Abba from Latin.
Huh?
Abba from Latin.
Now, Abba?
Yeah, Abba from Latin.
Yeah, Abba, long time.
A long time, how for you?
Ah, yeah, countryman, ready.
How family?
Ah, we will see her out in the worker.
I see you at the girl super, I see you at the girl super for see you.
You don't have outside countryman?
I didn't go there now,
Well, I
didn't go there.
Yeah, there.
I think any day.
Okay. So we there for inside your own day. Anytime when you pass for Yaoundé, you know see this, so you go see Toure man.
Okay, thank you very much. I'll come find you.
Yes, we salute to the Hausa chief for side for last way they watch the program.
I will move out to lie, my brother. Ahmadu Liman, I follow all man.
Yes, Ahmadu Liman.
Yeah, we Karamusa Sali, Karamusa Musa, oh, I salute them.
Okay, we say we the talk Asha for family where they be lost their brother where they come and say Awudu Ebua.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Yes, thank you to us more time.
Okay.
Hello? Hello? Call along go. This one where this boy a fight with his friend and then a choke ye, so they die. Wait till when I get for talk on top that one. When I the waste time and when time go catch we, now that time we when I go start to say this, so I want talk. Hello?
Yeah, the last MOKO, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, I be that time for me where they call from Bon, so when for subdivision for Puy division of the northwest region of Cameroon.
Yes.
Yeah, this story for where it happened for that side about this school where they kidnap.
Yes.
Because I be sure this time we be standard because we don't know what type of go. Because I know the number for even the Kina we want it belongs to the government.
Yes.
So at the back they may we power and I be power be for it made they look out for she don't this they gonna for see how we do for solve this problem for we side.
Okay.
Because all the suffer now the civilians they carry them.
Now so they.
So at the period the number for be that time for me have been from Bon. So at the back they made the try for solve this problem then we defend them for this way side.
Okay.
Yeah, that will be the first thing we will get for them for CSM will solve this problem. The second half is important.
Okay.
Thank you, MOKO. I salute you very much.
We salute all man for side from Boston, we salute those from Magba, we salute those from Taba, and we greet all man for side from Tomo, we salute all man for St. Village, we salute two, those were the day for War and those were the day for that side. For Lo, we salute all man for Lo, and those were the day for Market for Lo now, and we salute two, those were the day for that side for Taku, where they watch the program, they know they miss them. Hello?
Hello.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Yeah, good morning, sir.
Who the belongs to the call, sir?
My name is Askandara. I call from Yaoundé. Yes, I did for that side for Tinga. My garage there for WTM there. That side for WTM.
Okay.
I be mechanic, so I want to know thing we concern about camion. They strike them with drivers and get them.
Voilà.
I think it don't be a high time where maybe people try to open their sales for see. Because for this country with the chance they know the go. If they add price for petrol, they know be same transporter them add price for car where they carry. And with money where they share and for road. Sometimes when they load motor for commode, wala go see they give money for driver at 650,000. Only petrol they carry 540 something thousand. So at the after now, if they add them now, they don't give me the add price for car. How driver go survive with that money for road? So now I think we are really free the big, at least make government see into the matter.
Okay.
May the government may we affect me they should look into this matter. Because while we the transporter them driver them back, maybe only them they suffer. We do any man the job before you come up for your house. And I come and I'm going to the carry car to bring up. If you go to no carry bring up, no problem where all man go the paper. And if you call thing where go make a people go the for nothing. So now our own contribution.
Thank you, man.
Thank you, sir. And the thank we not do for what we would do.
So we could go now for one man country for meet up. We eye for that side. Countryman! How we not there for that side?
Good morning, General MOKO. I'm Charles, alias small scale enterprise from Germany.
Yes, man for Germany will hear you.
Thank you, General MOKO. Well, I want just comment on the three.
Yeah, we hear you. Go ahead.
Tinto matter point Tinto Oma don't go for bush.
Yes.
So I just want to start with the one for Limbe. But talk say we will be used to know that country. Every head of chief of service of that country get budget for renovate the office. The problem now who they follow up. And we also know for Cameroon, they say a journey for food in the shop never play with the run tie. So when they give that budget, other people they say they chop the money, no money do anything. And no money to follow up for acts who said they use the money. Now point one that I go for Boya own. Boya own the same way, it's the same thing. When council come for them for play with the construct. You must give envelope, as you give envelope, anything you do a concern, no man will care about that one. Then come up for the I go for Tinto. Tinto that matter for Tinto, that matter who don't talk since. If government not sit down and talk with the people concerned, nothing will happen. We'll keep on having that kind of problem. On daily basis, we will not begin make money. Let's go straight to the point and talk the matter. That's just the point in this awareness I'm up.
Okay, this one way they don't stop school. We're picking and remain for us. Where do you get for talk on top of that one?
Well, on the other hand, we send picking for school, they go die. That's we don't see them or teacher, they go kill them too. Now they the problem, they if we solve this problem,
yes.
By sending picking them to the key picking tomorrow, picking the run go back for bush tomorrow, they come house teacher, they got teacher hand or the key teacher. Nothing than that way they not correct.
Okay.
Until we sit down and solve, and the beg government say make it sit down and talk with the people concerned. Make our country go back. When our country on a divided country, make them go back and live in peace.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Hello? Yes. He don't talk your own. So you now you get for talk your own. Yes, me we take this countryman again. Hello, countryman.
Hello.
Good morning, sir. Come up for corner of TV. I don't know whether we're at the year 12 or 13 or man not understand again. Hello? 650608498. Where do you get for talk? Me we talk now. No call after the program. We get for bring a peace. Hello?
Good morning, General MOKO.
Good morning, sir.
Taxman doesn't give a boya.
Oh, taxman, the cleanest taxman for inside Boya. What do you get for tell you, sir?
I want to beg you, as we don't celebrate the birthday, so I don't need them to say. Mid-size course of dialogue where all walks of life they will do for that dialogue so that the thing will work out so that the man can go. Because we know so we'll get only commission where they work at say we'll connect in the highest step. So the beg my own beg that I need that move beg will beg pass me time and see how it is solve the matter. But only you so we don't stop the matter. Maybe it's for country. Thank you very much, General.
Thank you, Daniel. Get for that side for Boya. Hello, countryman. Hello? Yeah, morning, sir.
Okay.
Hello?
Yes, I hear morning.
Good morning. Give me your name and the side you call.
Yes, I'm Mr. Godwin talk from Boom.
Okay, from Boom.
Yes.
Boom, then I've asked from Foka.
Yeah, Brother Vuka on Cambe side too.
Okay. We hear you what you get for Terry.
Yes, I don't know what to apparently this thing never go too far. I recall at the beg you say me try to make a meeting finish because we don't go too far with the point. We don't expect to make a different level. So we don't lost our brother and sister them and all continue. Take me try where I beg.
Yeah, but you don't talk say me when I drop gun. Come say when I be picking them, but no man and no one for year talk where Papa they talk. Hello, countryman. Hello? It didn't say another person they call. Yes. It didn't say another person they come. Yes, me come quick. Hello, countryman. Hello?
Yeah, Jenambo kuna teammate that for no one from also.
Now so I will give you 20 seconds.
Yeah, the talk to Jenambo.
Yes.
And the place that the police say me with Papa waiting for front me back because all these things now civilian people where they there for ground zero they carry the loot. When they see how they finish don't dialogue because even now would it belongs to this the citizen of this country and we get a losses. I think they make we see how we do dialogue for this and make this problem for Northwest and South will may end. But now if you take the decision, you will see how we go down for being normal as to defend the general.
Thank you, countryman. Leave us so me will take different person. Yes, me will take different person wait there for line. Hello?
Yes, countryman, good morning.
How no?
Countryman, I tell you call from Gusu.
Oh, how from Gusu, countryman?
Countryman, countryman go to the water side, countryman.
Yes. And you?
Me, I want to say, countryman, how we go down to work, so better more we go digere or see what them no.
Huh?
How we go down to work for up to for you, I want to go them too, no, who say go there, no.
Huh? Now you talk am.
Because you don't pass me, no, countryman.
It don't pass all we. Good don't start the worker. You know say this so. It don't bad. Hello?
Hello?
Good morning, sir.
Morning, sir.
Who they call the person there for side?
Mr. John.
I be sure say the man you know they will we. We dey salute Mr. Lambert. We dey watch the program for that side for Monte Chapelle Obili. Hello?
Hello?
Good morning, sir.
Morning.
Who did it?
Yeah, Mr. Photo, I think.
Yes, what you got to tell me?
Yeah, they talk about that petrol. Better, and they say even after the next 2 weeks, they will fight over there. Better petrol drop.
Okay.
Yeah.
How about Creepy, no, sir?
Don't think it's fine.
With the salon man where they come and say, Shea Donatos winner, title holder for Kochi Palace for side phone call. He watch the program for side for Creepy. Salute me, all man, for that side for Creepy, eh?
Yeah, we salute all man.
We salute those who are there for Carrefour King. Carrefour King for Creepy. Hello?
Good morning, General.
Hi there. Hello? Hello? Where did they wrong? Hello? Where did they pass with telephone for Mr. Lambert? Hello, countryman. Good morning.
Good morning.
Off the volume for your TV. Off the volume or off you for this side.
Yes, my volume they off. My volume they off.
Who did it? And the person then for which place?
My name is Luis. I did come for Douala for Makepe.
Yes. How will I don't sleep for that side?
No, we sleep on the MOKO.
Yes. I hear you now for 20 seconds.
Okay. Me, I don't talk about travel hypocrisy for this country. We go on the table. We try to solve this problem normally. Because you know the get problem for your house, you the only bill of condemnation. I condemn. Okay, now how many years this is when Gabo incident happened? They tell me I follow some this organization. They are paid. They will tell how many years for condemn the people. They don't recognize that they should begin and kill them. So move stop hypocrisy, General Moko. Move go for table. We'll fix this problem. Because if they don't fix this problem, even say that the next 20 years don't go there. Thank you.
Thank you for that side. We salute all man for that side for Njombe and those for Penja. We salute all man for Souza. We salute all man for Souza Park. And we salute those who did for Souza Market. Hello?
Good morning, General.
Hi there, no countryman.
I didn't find a Lambert from Monte Chapelle.
Yeah, Mr. Lambert.
Yes, General.
You know, you said they don't kidnap 16 people then for site for MOKO, for that side for Bamungo. With that teacher them.
Nothing will shake me before I call this morning time. Anything where content kidnapping, General, I know they do. Anything where you go to school, I know they do. That's the way get key for this thing. He know himself. We don't stop putting tire. How many years? Like a joke. It is also continue. See the number of people away, they want to frustrate them. If this speaking them, that's why if they don't go to school, learn sense. That is the we still are waiting. We still the same tomorrow, me the work at the deal, or tell me the work at the collapse. The love don't tire. This half for hope. And I know President Paul Biya, now time this for MOKO, need some special speech again. No the time of some special speech, me this thing the end. Now me I don't talk about.
Okay. Now Lambert, he says now victim for this palava kidnap. Yes. This man a victim where people that never know say could they alive. Hello?
Hello? Yes, good morning, sir.
And the lady we don't call the program a record of which place and the name now who?
I call for Douala, the Madam Orok, Benedict Prophet.
Yes. How for you now?
Fine, sir.
But you don't bring her for we now first time for enter for this house.
Okay, oh, Daddy, I really want to talk now concerning this crisis we did for Cameroon.
Yes.
Precisely for Northwest and Southwest.
Yes.
I want to use this opportunity now for talk to for our mommy when our mama president, Madam President, when our mother we the born.
Yes.
Because we woman then we the born this speaking them so the way we the feel pains. And I show our mommy like Madam Shampoo don't surely pass for this same way we the born the feed kind of pain. vote for your own land.
Okay.
So yeah, they ask question. Say there's so mommy Shantadia. Like our mama, if they see this issue, so wait till he said that, if they really talk, because like how you don't talk there, first half, if you don't pass, they will need to take again second half for see whether, now so the first half if you don't pass, no better thing in the show, there's killing this also they continue. Even we said that, oh man don't run, you say run. Can't be for some kind of land where you buy all things and buy away, you for don't, you don't already prepare yourself to begin to manage your own life for your own place where you did it. General, I beg. Me mommy shall totally hear this cry for all women the way they cry all day. May you say we talk something because women do get something for talk for inside crisis, for inside any situation because we will be more than we will be born.
Thank you. Yes. Yeah, me we make a miss some people that know. Now say we don't talk, say the people that not run for some village inside Tinto subdivision. We never understand for Tinto na village. And we na for the way Joe the Shilong bet some villages them day where people they not run. Some man we there for Tinto, you know where to where they talk. If you did the way you never hear or you never get the news, try.
Hello,
good morning.
Well,
Yes, how you there for that side?
No, fine. I be one to say, MOKO.
Yes.
This thing we just talk about kidnapping, killing people, killing children. It is even one part and we elite them for north and southwest and form them where we know achieve them. They should not buy, so why they not be even join themselves, even table their situation, go see even government. Because we get people that way they represent we just any small thing we just talk about politics. Because when government want to do one thing we hope they do them freely. You know this thing how them now we is over. Why? They not be go talk this thing.
Thank you. Now we get for tech and this man again. Hello, countryman. Hello.
Hello, I'm Small Scale from Germany again.
Yes, just talk short because program don't finish.
No problem, sir. I want just to comment on this matter from Tinto. For make we know say this thing for any is not been a one day job because I hear some people they chop. I'm about na hear they chop. People na hear they chop. Big people them for army na hear they chop. Small army they say self na hear they chop. I even talk with some army they don't build houses now during this war. I'm about them to the they don't build houses now during this war. So if you want to even for to end this matter, some of the year they can even kill you. So I don't know if government knows this serious. For talk say more talk medicine and medical and do so many work, it will not even work until the government is serious to sit down and discuss with the
No, it don't be clear. It don't be clear. Say government if we get for call, me people them she don't on top table. That one it be clear because the way people they suffer. Yes, the way people they suffer now because say when you never go that side, you not gonna know. Now that kind of people then that that man get lucky for dash. He's on dash before. Well, anyhow we did. So leave him, Mr. Elvis teacher. Elvis when I picking for that side from Biami, we it is done for side for Carrefour Society, so you don't enjoy it on now that good. Yes, good don't start the worker for side for Bamungo now because say he don't bad, but we know say this so the king for Bamungo he get for try way for solve problem we there for the on site because the man way is a bit solve problem, so he get for bring peace so that me picking them he go school for that side. So now we get for send a message and this message be important for Mawe Sabi. Mawe no Sabi he go to take him listen a joke. First message where we send them. We the beg population for side for northwest and southwest. They the beg say this so they don't overcry. Water don't come out so now blood they come out. And when blood don't come out all for my skin, that person get for die. We need na population. We don't need na cops. But the day they say we like na cops, past person where they alive. We don't make national dialogue. First step. Now we begin to go for second step for see how solution go come out. So we debate the big people in the country say now time this way second national dialogue if will happen. Peace if will come sometime. They don't know how way solution they come out. Because commission, when they don't create time, it didn't say that they sleep. It didn't say some commission they don't die. We not understand. But now people then they so they die, they go. It didn't say the people when they die, no now with brothers, no now with sisters. It don't look good. Second one, yesterday it be been a lovers' days. And now yesterday when we understand say so, love it don't expire for inside country. And we will get for bring love back. Because yesterday na only woman they expect from man picking. Woman to know the give nothing for man picking, it the only take and take them. That means say when I don't turn now, those who they turn up for checkpoint where they only receive na receive, where they no fit give out. So another advice we one give na say, those people go for northwest and southwest. Me when I stop for the chop okra on quick because when I mop the over slice. No go she down for off licensing or for inside boss. Just start the talk something way you know go last. Know the head and the tail. You go enter trouble. No talk that is say a year say because thing wey don't happen for side on Cambe. It dey outside for forum. This thing what happen so it not really happen. Why it happen now only time for 11 February? Why it not happen? It don't make a now population of Cambe don't fear for March for 20 May will not be normal. They don't talk say investigation they go on. That means say any man get for calm himself. What time we force them all they go make tradition. And then that time now we go see where to they come. First tradition they make them. So we beg the people them for Nkambe say me any man he put the temperature for down. And then she don't quiet. No talk thing way you never see him. Whether na how many don't die. Whether na how many don't die. Yesterday number one for Northwest governor he be talk say now more than 70 people them they be victim. He talk now for national station. So when I get for no say this so now so they still they make investigation. But some more time we go know whether na Joe don't do action or na Joseph. That time it go reach. But for now we still the that na that. Me any man focus for prayer because na only prayer way it will move we for inside trouble. Now only prayer. If you know sabi pray, start the look your neighbor. When neighbor they pray, join you know make prayer. If not so, team where I see him. Team where I see him. When I see him, ran before yesterday for February, no, and before for December, before again for February. You know the make when I understand something. When I never buy rice for 500, small time when I go buy one cup now for 2,000 for understand say this so climate change it don't affect we for this side. So we tell all man we don't participate for the program. Some people and they will not ever learn. When you teach man something for 1 year, you don't know. Better than say you leave them. When you hold your phone, when you know say you want video something for send and for me, where I will show them. Hold your phone at this size. When I look them, when I see how I hold my phone, you hold and so you make the video send them for me. But if you decide you hold and so, now your own way, me and not use them. So with the time all man, with the beg people and for Aquator. Yes, we they don't say we video, we they don't hold phone and so we don't use that video, but when I excuse we not use that now because when I never put the phone fine. Next time when I try for turn the phone, they suffer palava route for Aquator, but no way. We salute all man for side for Mr. J, we salute the CB for Mr. J, we salute to the commandant for side for Call Brigade, yes, for Call Brigade for Noni, we salute to the commissioner for that side, we salute all the police then when they do fine work for that side for Call Noni, we salute the duo where USSF he don't try all and all for bring peace for that side. Yes, the duo for Noni, he don't do better work for that side, and we salute those way then they where they work, they give good advice, say me continue to go before. So anyhow we dey with the time Mr. Colonel we dey for that side from Call, and with the stand to March choppers we dey for that side with the time all man we dey for market. We not forget share yellow, yes, share yellow we dey for that side for Lassen Market Square. So we salute Mr. Tom for side for Calabar and for Shejo. So Francois Bidede na be the match button. Landy Sewe is still there for sick bed. He never fetch a day fine. Now why that way would I know to get away for Facebook? But after the program would I feel get away for the YouTube channel where you name NJANGI House. You just go for there, you find the news for today. Try for subscribe so that you be member for inside the channel. Anyhow they call me na General MOKO. The only general way in the clean country, me country not the dirty, me not the smell. When dirty there for some place, you signal me, I go make me the dirty, it disappear. So we do honor for fix am. We know they find trouble, and we no need trouble. So when we show your village, we were working the day. Try for contact we so that we will try for see how we organize community work for make and send me the thing clean. We salute those where they work for Prime Minister's office. Yes, we salute all man where they work for Prime Minister's office, all man where they work for His Excellency Fokalesto office with His Excellency Sheikh Jones Yembe, where them too that they prepare now how they can march for first May Labor Day. Yes, yeah. So now so it will happen. So we salute all man way. He like the program and we like today man say anyhow they may God protect we so that we will see tomorrow or we see next year. All things it go better if we pray. So carry me I go take my 1 cup matango I drink because I get for go for side for Muokank Palace for go meet up the chief for that side. Me tell me what way it happen for your village. We don't go. I go one time for that side.